Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to install a Shopify theme using a zip file. Let's get started. So as you can see right here, I have in here a zip file that I have just installed just now. So if you want to know how I've done that, then what you can do is just watch this video. So what we can do is we can click on this add theme right here, click on this upload zip file, or you can also get some from the connect link to GitHub. So for now, let's click on this upload zip file. And now you can add in your file. So click on add file right here. Make sure to note that we have in here a maximum file size, which is 15 megabytes. So head over and click on this add file. And then as you can see right here, I have downloaded this particular theme. This debut theme is actually not available right now to the theme store because it's been removed. But if you want to download it, you can just head over and find some zip files that has been uploaded all over the internet and you can install it in a zip file. So for me, I'll just head over and install this just like this. Then click on open right here. And from that, click on this upload file. And then as you can see, this will upload itself. So as you can see, this is installing the theme. So we can just wait for that to finish the installing process. So as you can see, I have just added this theme. So what we can do is we can click on this publish option right here if you want to use it. Now click on this publish, and then as you can see, this will publish our theme. So let's head over and click on customize right here. And as you can see, this will vary greatly on what theme we have earlier. As you can see, they have different styles and different theme settings. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.